I'll jump to 2015. Now 2013, I passed my matric January, went to varsity. My girlfriend at that time, we agreed that we're gonna love one another, we're gonna be there for one another. So her parents wanted her to study in UL, University of Limpopo, and now I decided to go to Pretoria, of course, right? Sharpu, we separated March when we went home, Kadi holiday, 2013, and I saw her. I've realized that there is something wrong. Literally, there is something wrong with her, because like wait, moto hawa miti man, moto hawa miti. So koloi high feta, like when a GTI passes by, she says, "Oh, nice car," and in my head I'm like, "Oh, this girl." And then every time I feta koloi nice, she screams. Then that's when I realized, oh, this girl has changed. Sharp. Fast forward. May, before my exam, she's the reason why I failed my exam, guys. Being honest, she's the reason why I failed my exam. So my best friend is scrolling through Facebook. On Facebook, there's something called a tag, where you can tag someone. So she has been tagged by this motherfucker, ne? Vincent Maratamsha. So she has been tagged by this motherfucker, and he's holding her and kissing her neck. So my best friend shows me this picture. Yo, guys, my heart was was heartbroken. My heart was heartbroken. So the guy's name, wait, I'll tell you the guy's name. Samuel. I forgot the guy's name, but I will remember it. I have their names written down. There are two niggas that I don't like even today, who took the love of my life back then. Sharp. After that, what happened? Oh yes, June. Okay, I was heartbroken. I didn't write my exam very well, honestly. Sharp. After that, June, what happened in June? Oh yes, I went home. So when I went home, like I saw her on this particular Saturday, because I went home on a Friday. I saw her and she broke up with me. It was June, towards the last week of June. She broke up with me. Guys. Waiti banyana ne? Banyana ke bo satani. Like, guys, I went to varsity so I can be an accountant at the municipality, steal money, come back and eat it with her. I was doing it for her. Next thing, she's leaving me. I'm trying this Facebook auto likes thing so I can be famous and have people download my music, book me everywhere I DJ, I make money, and I come back and still eat with her. She still didn't see a need to be with me. She left me. She dumped me. I remember I was crying, like literally crying. That was my first ever heartbreak. And imagine, guys, bagothala ke 2013, bagothala that time osanna karamukuku, because we only managed to move into a proper house in 2013 towards. So at that time, bagothala, you still stay in a shack. When I get home, I still find that shack. It makes me more mad. I cry more. Guys, it was jokes aside, it was quite painful, getting dumped by someone that you think they are the love of your life, and you have your plans rotated around them. That is why even today, 2024, I do not fucking make a plan and I include a woman inside. I make my money, I eat my money. I do not involve a woman inside my plans. even today, I haven't healed. And I'm not even planning on healing anytime soon. I don't include a woman in my plans. I don't include a woman in my business, especially a woman that I'm personally involved. I do not do that shit. Those niggas will hurt you. Sharp. That's what happened to the relationship in 2013, guys. Now I'm moving to 2014 towards the end. I'm going to write